you got a nice car here. What?
Yeah.
Can you tell me a bit about it?
Yeah, it's a 1968 HK Wagon that was changed into an ambulance and delivered up north for the Ord River Dam build.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah.
Yeah. And it was sitting around for 42 years.
Brilliant.
And I fixed it, all ready to go.
Yep.
Original running gear. And it was used by Dravo Corporation, who won the contract to build the Ord River Dam from 1968 to 1971.
That's awesome. How long have you had it for?
I've had it for 2.5 years now. It was on the rotisserie for 6 months and it's been licensed for 9 months now.
Wow. I do see it around here every so often, so it's,
it gets
stands
around.
out.
It's on 404 for vintage and
Vintage rego.
Vintage rego.
Yeah, wicked.
I've left it in the patina style, and what you see here is pretty much as it was.
It looks amazing. I can't see any rust in it. It's just patinaed.
No, it's just patinaed, and all the floors are redone, doors.
That's awesome.
And it was factory small block Chev.
Small block Chev, okay.
With
factory.
Aircon, power steering, sports dash, powered drums.
Right, okay.
It stayed in Kununurra for about 10 years, and then Wally and his family had it since 79.
Awesome.
And then in 1982 it sat there until I picked it up, so it's sitting there for 42 years at the back of his yard on its bum with no wheels.
Wow. I'm glad you managed to save it. It's
it's a
very nice car.
Definitely a bit of history.
Yeah, it's got amazing history to it.
Yeah.
It's not often you come across something like this, that's for sure.
No, absolutely not. And,
excellent.
And I think it probably is one of one because of the drivetrain and being US ordered.
Yep. So would this come out with a large Salisbury or something, or?
No, it just came out standard running gear, 307, 2-speed, and just the big nut banjo.
Oh, big nut banjo, yeah.
And then it was also came with a dicky seat as per the ambulance.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's amazing. Well, thanks for showing me a bit of info about your car. It's definitely something that you don't see every day, so...
absolutely not. And it has all the original running gear in it. So.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
No worries, thank you.
Have a good one.